Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this 4-piece of headbands. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So the 4 headbands come in a little box like this. Let me show you the different color headbands. So you get a total of 4 different color headbands. As you can see, we got the black and white right here. They are all striped. They're nice, stretchy. They are breathable, nice quality. We got a yellow striped one. We got this blue striped one. They're nice and soft. Last, we have this red striped one. The great thing about these is that they could be used in many ways. You could use these to go to the gym. You could use them for a yoga class, running, even to put on your makeup. Like I mentioned, they are stretchy, so you want to go ahead and put it over your head. And just like that, slide the headband back, and as you can see, it pulls the hair away from your face. This is also, like I mentioned, good for working out. It keeps the hair out of your face. It traps any sweat on here, and the good thing about these is that they are washable. So once you get them dirty or sweaty, anything like that, you could go ahead and place these in the washer and wash these. Giving you a closer look, very nice stretchable headbands. So if you've been on the lookout for some new headbands, then definitely check these out. I'll go ahead and link them down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.